Friends, welcome to our channel. Now, okay, in the part 1 of the tenses, we discussed about the present form, present tense and the present form, the types of present tense, and so on. Now, let us move to the past tense, means past form. So I said in the first class that each type of tenses forms have 4 types, and similarly in the present form also we have 4 types. Let us see the types. So the past form we have 4 types. First is simple past. So the first one is simple past, and the structure is subject plus V2 plus object. Subject plus V2 plus object. So in the simple present we discuss subject plus V1 plus is E or ES plus object. Okay, but in the past tense we does not have any E or ES at the last of the words. Okay, take an example of this similar structure. So the example should be carefully by this structure. In the form of this structure only we should have designed the example. Okay, now take an example. Subject, we have I as a subject and V2. So any V2 form we will take. Means take an example of drink. Drink is a V1 form. V2 form drank. I drank water. Object we taken is the water. Okay. So I drank water is the one of the example. Now let us see the structure and the example. Subject we taken as I, V2 is taken as a drank, and object we taken as water. Now, I drank water. Why this example should be in the past form? Means the work should be completed in the past. So I drank water. So we drank water at the past, and that work should be that work is completed at the past only. So it is a simple past. Okay. Now, past continuous. Now past continuous. Okay. In the past continuous, let us see the structure. Subject plus was, were plus V4 plus object. So continuous. Continuous means in the past the work is still continuing. That is past continuous. Okay. In present continuous means in the present the work is still continuing. Okay. Now take an example. Take a similar example but changing according to the structure. This example should be changed according to this structure. Let us change. Subject taken as I, was, were. So I was drinking water. I was drinking water. So I was drinking water. But were. So I said in the first person, second person, singular plural. I, we, you, they, he, she, it, they. Okay. Now the helping verb were will come. So we were drinking water. We were drinking water. What is the difference between these two examples? Here, I was drinking water. In the past tense, we are still drinking water. In the past only, we are still continuing the work. So we tell us I was drinking water. We were drinking water. I means only one person, means singular. So we means plural form will come. I means only one person, but we were drinking water. Oh, 5 members will take we. The 5 members are still drinking water in the past. That we can say in the past continuous. Now, third example, third type, past perfect. Now let us see the structure. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Okay, this was structure of past perfect. Now let us see example. So I had drunk water. Okay, here V3 form means V1 present, V2 past, and V3 past participle. Okay, I had drunk water means in the past only he was saying that he drunk water, like that the meaning will come. Okay, now so in the present we can say have and has and have, but in the past the helping verbs will come like was, were and had. Okay, now let us see the last type, past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Let us see the structure. Okay, first of all, let us see the structure. Subject plus had plus been plus V4 plus object. Okay, past perfect continuous means the mixing of past perfect past continuous. Okay, past perfect and past continuous has been mixed, so it will come as past perfect continuous. So let us take an example to be understand clearly. I had been drinking water. I had been drinking water. So he was saying that, so in the past I am still drinking water, means at the time of 4:30 I am still drinking water, at the time of yesterday I am still drinking water, like that he was saying. So in the past perfect he was saying that in the past I have drunk water, like that he was saying. But here at the past I am still drinking water, in the past only he was still drinking water, that he was saying now. So like that will come the meaning. So this is past perfect continuous and the past form, friends. Okay, so I think today's video is very clear to you. If you have any doubts, pour on the comments and see the full video. Okay, then only you will understand. And please like my video and subscribe my channel. And okay, please visit our playlist tab to be, so I can divide the classes into playlist. Please the playlist. Okay friends, like my video and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next class.